Look at the muscle structure on this one. Excellent weight gain. Noted. Overall health seems optimal across the board.
Tires are good, pressure steady. Noted.
All right, team, we are clear for departure.
Security, the livestock transport is approaching gate 3.
Roger that. Charlie Group is ready for guidance.
Keep them coming nice and slow now. Watch your spacing. We are clear down here.
Watch the gate on the left.
Yeah, they're moving through smoothly.
The ultrasound looks clear, but I want to check the thyroid again.
Vitals are stable, heart rate looks good on the telemetry.
The liver appears healthy, no anomalies detected.
Copy that. Uploading results now.
The cardiac rhythm is stable at 45 BPM. And the thermal scan shows no inflammation markers. The subject is clear. The cellular regeneration markers are elevated post-procedure.
Yes, the growth factor response is optimal. We are cleared for release in 5 minutes.
Blood panel for Bull 74 looks good. Yeah, Bull.
Confirmed. The vitals are stable across the board.
Scan results look excellent. Vitals are strong.
Confirmed, doctor. All inspection records are finalized and approved.
Healthy. Go ahead and clear them in the system.
Confirmed, doctor.
High-pressure jets and specialized foam provide a deep clean while the brushes stimulate the hide.
Inspection complete. Looks good.
All right, next one.
The viscosity is within the acceptable range.
Very good. Let's clear this batch for processing. The viscosity is stable across all batches.
Excellent. I've uploaded the refractometer data to the main server for final review.
The color saturation is uniform across the batch.
And the fragrance dispersion seems optimal according to the sensor data.
The viscosity is within acceptable parameters.
And the pH levels are perfectly balanced. Quality check complev. These meet all specifications.
The edges on this batch look perfect. Yes, the buffer alignment is holding steady.
Inventory checks out. We can release this pallet. Confirmed. The labeling matches the manifest exactly.
Look at how perfect these are. Ready for shipment. We did an excellent job. Truly premium quality. We need to shift this slightly to the left to catch the grain. Okay, that's perfect. The alignment is locked.
This strap has a small blemish right here.
Okay.
Okay, I will put it in the reject pile.
The finishing on this clasp is perfect. Look at the grain on this leather.
Yeah, absolutely stunning. The team did exceptional work.
Keep it straight, driver. Watch the clearance on the right.